Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Help another trader. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, happy Friday, Otter gang. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin pumping. We back, baby. We back. How we all doing? You beautiful hairy creatures, button on a fur coat, schlonging, beautiful, degenerate, gorgeous, handsome, yet perky. We'll call you guys perky today because your ears are perked up and you're ready to trade. Let's go. Gang. We come back 10 times stronger. You can knock us down, but we get back up. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Where's those otters in the chat? I want to see some otters. I want to see the otter invasion today. I want to see that beautiful, degenerate otter gang. I know you guys held it down for me yesterday. I know you guys took that short yesterday. Let's go, baby. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. It's Friday, baby. We pumping. We are so back. Let's go, Bitcoin. Froth, good morning. Crypto King, Alexandra, G. Lorelei, what's going on? Chantel, good morning. Dusty, Andrew Cameron, Quick Smoker, James, Huddle, Rajaguk. Let's go, baby. Let's go, man. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you. Thank you so much for being here. I'm doing better, baby. I'm doing better. I mean, you know, at the end of the day, let's look at it this way, okay? It's all about perspective, but at the end of the day, my grandfather, 88 years old, man. What a beautiful, beautiful man, you know? Paved the way for people like me and you, and, you know, just extra time spent with him yesterday. You know, you just get into gratitude. You be present, and that's it. That's all you got. It's time to enjoy it. And that's it. Then we come out and crush it because we got to do him. We got to honor him by showing up every single day like you guys know I do. So thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's go, baby. Han, what's going on? Dusty, John Foster, Crypto with the 5 gifted memberships. Real Vita, We got Jag. We got Dave Flowers lurker. We got the Corpway lurker. We got Raj, also known as, I won't say it. Take away the A. You know what I mean. Lurker, Brian Lurker, Chris Lurker, Jonathan Schaefer's in the chat. What's going on, brother? Mido, John Foster, Buck, Jason, Wolf and Bear, T Fata, Joel Vasquez, Sam Pat, Darshan. What's going on? Joel Vasquez, Magic Mike. Oh, I'm just a bachelor. Look at all these beautiful people. How we all doing here? Massey, Donato, Miles, Joel, Jonathan Schaefer, Bazars. Good morning to you guys. Our Pink Crypto, Billy in the chat. My man, Billy, baby. Let's go. Who got short off that retest? Daniel V. Steve, Hickey. Look at all these people. Darren does things. Missed 4 days, was visiting the parents. Nice, man. Nice. Maker. It's important to take time away. Let's go. Look at all the otters in the chat. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing up those otters in the chat. God bless you guys. Jake, James, Splash, Seymour, Liddy. What's going on, guys? Miles, Trump Power. Good to see you guys in here. Wave Cypher. What up, homie? Good to see you, man. I see you trading that fart coin. You got the gas, baby. You got the gas. You be crushing it, man. Really, really awesome stuff. Andrew Cameron, thank you for being kind. Rock the shorts. We all had the short narrative yesterday. Even though I was not present, we knew. Okay, we could play you the video. The morning video said, hey, we're coming down. Where we stop, nobody knows. But my God, how's he doing? He's doing okay. I mean, he had a bad fall 3 days ago in the garden, smashed his elbow, cut it up really good, and then he fell out of bed yesterday, and it's compounding, right? It's compounding. It's embarrassing, The man used to be built like a brick shit house, and I'll swear because of that. The guy's hands are like baseball gloves. His hands compared to mine, they're like this. Those old school tradesman hands? They're like baseball mitts. He's got these monster hands. Just a beautiful man, hardworking. And, we do him honor. That's it, right? That's it. We do him honor. We show up and we do honor by him. Good morning, Maurice, Darren. Good morning. He's doing okay, though. He's doing okay. Good morning, Cam, Daniel V, Nick, the Dusty, Joan. Good morning to you guys. No. Let's go. We're going sky high, baby. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for the prayers and the thoughts and all of that. You guys are top notch, man. I do appreciate your support. It means the world to me. Try my best to keep you guys updated yesterday, but thank you guys so much for lots of kind words, lots of good stuff, man. So very grateful to the community. It's a little SFP in here. I'm looking a little bit lower. We got a nice volume node in here. Okay. Look left confluence for continuation if we're going to get it. Little breakdown here. These aren't really significant lows. I would say this is our significant low if we want to flip bearish. But right now, rolling over. Let's see how price reacts in this zone right here. This would be the first stop on many. Pretty much up only overnight. I think China's printing, baby. Thank you, China. Keep printing. Keep printing. We love that printing. Keep printing. Can be looking here. We got a couple of looks, so let's be patient as usual. Okay. Oopsie. That was sharing out this video here. Sharing it out to Twitter and stuff, and the Discord. So rolling over here. First reaction zone. We'll see how it behaves here. Maybe we take a little cheeky long, but remember we got the PP. The PP. We got the PP coming out today, guys. So you gotta be prepared for those schlongs, baby. We got the PP coming out this morning. PPI month over month, 8:30. So we'll see how the PP if it shakes us out or not. Oh man. I can't stop, man. I can't stop. I just love having fun with you guys, even when it's talking a bunch of smack, man. We'll see how shake it out. uh, uh, let's see how we roll here. Rolling over here now. Critical volume level here that we've been watching. Right, we're looking for a support and resistance flip here. Obviously, we've broken down from here, so we got to be patient here coming into the news. However, doesn't mean we can't take a trade. A little bounce off of the highs here. So retest of these highs. Trying to bounce here, looking for a bounce here. The thing is right now, everybody, is that we have a lot of liquidity below us. So after, the Asia pump last night, perfect little back test in here. I was looking a little bit lower. I was looking for this, but we did an SFP. We bounced off the golden pocket here. Continuation, up only, breakout, continuation, just laddering all the way up here, which is lots of liquidity. Okay, so this could be taken. We'll see. However, a nice push back here after our, massive. I was so blind yesterday. I longed here. I just wasn't seeing it. And I told my wife, I'm like, I shouldn't trade today. And then I went and traded. And it was like, oh, man. I was down 2,000 and just like, and I managed to scalp the living crap out of this and make a grand back. But I have a rule. It's like, am I okay, right? And that's my number one rule. How do I feel? And if I'm not okay, I don't trade. But I did yesterday, right? And I'm down from yesterday, but I'm up this week. I'm doing really well lately. However, I broke my rules yesterday. So, that's why we have rules, and they're to be followed. And, we like to bend the rules sometimes, but at least the damage was I tried to contain the damage, right? Sometimes when you go through stuff like that, you just don't want to think about it, so you distract yourself. Don't distract yourself with your money, okay? That's not always the best idea. And I did it yesterday, and, I don't mind sharing that with you guys because hopefully you guys can learn from that and apply it for when you go through some hard stuff. You're able to not make irrational decisions, okay? There's always something to learn from it. It's the application that sometimes is hard. Clearly, I struggle with the application yesterday. I have the rules in place, but when we break the rules and we get so-called punished for breaking the rules, it can be also the way you learn as well. And sometimes, for me, you got to beat a dead horse a couple of times. That's okay. We got our trading journal yesterday in the mail. That's pretty cool. Nice little binder here. Good to go. Start writing down. Do not trade when emotional. All right. We got the Otter Gang mouse pad yesterday. This thing is actually impressive. Okay. I'm actually because I got the t-shirts and I got the sweater. And obviously they can't print that nicely on the sweater. But this thing, the print quality, actually, this one is actually really nice. They can't print like this on a t-shirt. I understand that, but this is top notch. I was actually holy smokes, it's crisp. It's crisp. It's got the gang. I ain't here to sell you crap. I'm just saying I like it for my damn self. You could even frame this thing. It's so nice. The print quality. I didn't think it would be, that, these printing companies, sometimes questionable. But yeah, it did a good job. But the actual mouse mat, it's actually really nice. I was actually impressed. I'm not here. I can't sell anything. I'm a carpenter, man. I grab nails, I hammer nails, I throw nails at the wazoo. Billy steps on them, gets mad at me, all that stuff. Nice bounce off of our little area here. We'll see if we do bounce. Good morning, everybody. Alex got a life-size, bro, it says big as my chest. Printed right here in the US of A. That's it, baby. That's it, baby. Good bounce here. Little suspicious. Okay, little suspicious. We're gonna start getting bullish divergence in here. We got pig nipples forming. Okay, yes, I said pig nipples. But when pig nipples are forming, we typically want to wait for the trigger wave. Okay, because it can be three drives. Sorry, I can't speak today. Or it could be just a higher low, which is fine. If we do break highs here, we come up, we go for higher low. That's fine. For continuation here, it's a little late. So retesting a previous highs, rolling over here. That's still a possibility. I would like to short this thing, but like I said, the strong low is really here. If we're looking at like a higher term time frame, like a 12-minute, you can see we don't really have any strong lows until we get to here. This would be, by rules base, we want to see 2 red candles in a row. So it would be mitigating this low here, okay? So that would be where we would need to break in order to change market structure. Yes, we have rolled over here. If we go into a 5-minute, we can, split some hairs in here, but we're typically looking here, okay? So let's be patient. Let's not get ahead of the game. We do understand that there is liquidity below us. We got VWAP below us, so this is a target to say so, but nice push up, man. Nice push up. We'll see where we get to today. It's going to be a fun day. I know we're all going to crush it. And I thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Good morning, Crypto Cave. Man, good morning to you, Dusty, Dave. Good morning. I'm going to make French toast. Let's go, JR. Dano Crypto. My wife laughs when she sees my peepee, my Pepe on my pants. Oh, you have a Pepe on your pants. Do you think PPI will be good today? I'm not the greatest at analyzing PPs. If I'm going to be honest, I typically haven't. I just lost 11,000 trading gold. Yee! On that pump. Yee! Keep it in your pants. Alcohol is bad. Okay? Yeah, exactly. Don't touch alcohol. Gang, let's go. Chili's, Herman's, Moose. Good morning from Kansas City. KC, baby. Good morning, Mark. Good morning, Nick. Thank you for being here. Mods, Hugo's, LJ, James, Sparky Loft. A little pushback here. How's the cat, Schaefer? How's the cat, buddy? How's the cat? Gang, beautiful people. Emmanuel, Bad Baptist. Good morning to you. Jake K. Good to see you all here. Thank you for being here. Arjun, John Foster. Good morning, Alex, and the gang. Kaluk, good morning to you, man. Vad, James Simpson. Okay. Yeah, so what would be positive here? Producer price inflation. Okay, so down, up. So it's been rising, which is not good. And it's expected to rise 0.2 month over month. Okay, this is why I send you to Piper a lot of the time, because he knows his stuff when it comes to this, right? However, they think it's going to rise to 0.2. We'll see. We don't want it too high. Okay, that would be cruel, wouldn't it? Don't want this producer price inflation to go to the moon. We want Bitcoin to go to the moon. Okay, so we'll be patient here. We'll see what happens. We're always prepared. Not trying to get in front of the train in the morning here, okay? Just want to be patient. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel, hanging out this morning. We've got 340 people in here, 79 likes. If you wouldn't mind just giving that thing a little flick for me, I'd really appreciate it. I do appreciate you guys being here. Sorry I had to bail on you guys yesterday. I know you guys understand and your family first, but you guys are important to me as well, right? That's why we named it the Otter Family, right? Give it a little flick, Andrew. Give it a little flick. The cat has been given away to a no-kill shelter. Poor kitty. Oh, man. Not a good time to short gold. Good morning, Better Call KP. Is that like Better Call Sal? You need more practice with the PP evaluation. Yeah, I'm just I don't have a big enough microscope for you, buddy. I know Buck enjoys the tradesman banter, so I always try to give it to Buck a little bit extra, you know? Oh man. You think PP is going to be huge? Okay. Jeez, man. We got a lot of PP analysis this morning. I don't know. Tony Soprano's not here. But the theme of the week, like unintentionally, has been PP. Can you enable subtitles for translation? I think we do have subtitles enabled. Let me check here. I don't know if it's on custom. I can't do it. I can't do it now, but I'll definitely make sure that I do that for next. I'll do that right away, like next Monday for sure. I'll make a note of it. I'll make a note of it. And important. English speak not well this morning there, Dave. You are an important to me. Army Piper, what are we thinking about the PP data today? Is it gonna go up or down? Magic Mike, good morning. Unholy, I'm up $100 and I'm not trading news again. No way, let's go. There's a smart person. All these numbers don't mean crap. They have to print money and they're gonna charge interest rates. There's no better place to put that money than crypto. Eee! Specific crypto though. Not what not these shill coins that people put out, man. I got no time for those people. The cat has been given away. All right, up. Piper, you seemed bearish last night though. I kind of rode your coattails on the bearishness. Don't worry, Alex. I'm from the Valley. 2 seasons of building plus I'm Gen X. Let's just say I hold back. That's it, right? That's the one, man. That's the one. Okay, so a nice little bounce off the highs here. We do have a volume node in here coming into we got 5 minutes. We can go top down really quick on 5 minutes. So just looking here, what we have, double bottom, followed by a balloon dog with a drooly mouth. Okay, we got the balloon dog here with the drooly mouth, and then the double bottom balloon dog continuation. I mean, balloon dogs are all over the place, right? What we did have this right here is we did have a little volume node in here that I was interested in. Okay, that we are just, Piper's always talking about his viper nipples. So we have a viper nipple in here that, we could get a bounce off of. We'll see. We do have up only overnight. Of course, they're pumping it up on us, 5%. So we got a volatility, baby. It's always fun. So we got a bunch of key buy levels here. But nonetheless, overextended yet again. I like constructive price action. I don't know about you guys, but I like this. As a scalper, you like to take this trade and this trade and this trade, and sometimes you catch this one. But right now, this is overextended, right? And we're also coming up into our previous range. Okay, so if we're looking at our previous range, we are looking for this thing to come up a little bit more. Okay. A little bit more and close above this green line. Okay, the green line is going to be critical. You can see it is a big volume node, right? The biggest volume nipple around. I don't know. I think Piper called this the grandma nipple. It's kind of like staggy, and anyways, it's the viper nipple. Okay, so you want to get on top of that POC there. We have tapped it a couple of times. It was naked. Now it's not. Okay. We are closing above the value area low, trying to push up. So this is good as well. I'm getting used to this mouse, by the way. Sorry if it's like hard to follow. And sometimes it just goes for a run. Look at that. Woo! TradeFly got me this like Cadillac of a mouse. So I'm just like totally not qualified. So a nice push up here nonetheless. We have left a little bit of liquidity out of the lows. However, I'm pretty satisfied with, this retracement coming back down. We were looking for a retracement halfway back down the candle yesterday, and that's what we got. So that was a very good call yesterday. And then, I was looking for one of these, but we didn't get that. And then we got just continuation this morning. So preparing for a possible Friday close where we chop sideways. If we close above here, we can look to close and start a new range. Okay, so I would look for a range to develop and try to attack that point of control up in here. However, if we fail to push for the rest of the day, I would expect acceptance back into this range that we are currently developing right now. That's very easy peasy lemon squeezy. So we could see right here that, we clearly have another gram of nipple, but we would look to develop a range within here and then try to push out. Okay, but I don't know if we're out of the woods yet. Okay, there's a lot of beef going on with the Chinese and the USAs and all that. So try to stay, out of it because we're Canadian and we just like beating people in hockey. That's about it. Okay, so pushing up here, we got lots of room to move up on the 4, the 3, and the 2. The 1 hour is starting to look a little bit overextended, in my opinion. And then we have the liquidity that I am interested in on the way up here. Not really constructive lows in here. So for me, like literally, this is where we're coming if we break down pretty aggressively, is back down to 78. But, if they're going to send it, we were talking about this in the Discord. If they're going to send it, they're not going to give it to you. They're not going to give you those key levels. They're just going to send it, right? They're just going to go, wee, and you're going to be left in the dust, okay? So we'll try not to get left in the dust today. We are pushing back here off a little bounce. Coming into our news, we got 40 seconds. Look at that. And we'll finish the rest of the top down as we watch the fireworks right now, baby. Is anyone long? Make sure you take profits. Okay. Alrighty then. Here we are. Here. There we go. And we'll see. PPI coming in 14 seconds, baby. PP in your eye. We had a DI in here once. We told him put a D in the eye. Now we got a P in the eye. And choppy. Let's go. 0.1. It's my guess. 0.1. Come on, baby. We got to push. We got to dump. We got to push. We got to dump. Ooh, this is volatile. Negative 0.4. What? What is this, Piper? Piper, you got to explain this to me. I don't even understand this. What is that? What does that entail? We are going downtown. We are going downer. Does that mean we get long? Price producer month over month decreased. Okay. That was unexpected. Piper, help. Help. Bullish, bearish, scarish? Are we going into... How the heck did that happen, man? I think it's bullish. Deflation. We're going into stagflation. That means they're going to cut, baby. Coming down here. Can we push? Push it, Piper. Push it for the gang. Support and resistance flip. Let's get long. Push it. Push it, Piper. Oh, man, oh, man. I don't know, Piper. I don't think we should get long here. Not yet. I think we still come lower. PP in your eye. If we can close above this here, maybe. Close above it. They don't know what to do with it either, Piper. Can we close above the line here? That would be ideal. Might fire off a long. Close above it. It's got to push. I don't think they know what to do. Push it, baby. Close above it, baby. I'll take a mini long, maybe. I don't want to rush this. Let's see how it closes here. This could be sweep of the highs, squeezing, right? Like yesterday. It could be a squeeze. Let's not be trapped here. Let's not be trapped here. This could be a squeeze. I think it's a squeeze. What do you guys think? Long, short? Let me know in the chat, guys. Long, short, squeeze? Is it a squeeze? I'm not long or short. I think it's a squeeze. We've come up, we've retapped the lows. We didn't close above that line. I think it's bullish though, right, Piper? It is bullish. However, James is thinking squeeze. Squeeze, schlong. Schlong. We got schlongs in the chat. Short, rejection. Short. That's a very, very weird data. I think Piper calls it data, so let's call it data. And he also calls it a vehicle. He also calls it a vehicle. It's like a hiccup, but it rolls. A vehicle. All right, nice push here. Nice push. I ain't in this. Squeeze. I think this is squeeze. I'm in camp squeeze. What are you guys in? Put a 1 in the chat if it's a squeeze, meaning you should be looking for a short here. Or put a 2 in the chat if you think you should long this to Valhalla. He's an analyst. I love you, Piper. We can't be picking on Piper. You know, Piper gave me a short day yesterday. I work with Piper all the time. So Piper gave me a short day yesterday, last evening, because he gave me some time off, man. He's family. He takes care of me. And Billy says squeeze. I'm on Team Billy, baby. Team Billy all day. You see these hands? They're not touching the damn keyboard. Oh, man. Did you know that there's a secret little otter on the sleeve of the sweater? Did you know that? Did you guys know that? Oh, Easter egg. I just spoiled your surprise. I spoiled your surprise. LJ thought it was a cum stain. You guys you never fail, man. You guys never fail to just take it into you're gonna be like, oh, now an otter is gonna watch you wank off. I actually put it on the left hand because, you know, everybody's typically right-handed. So I actually considered that. I'm not even gonna lie. I considered it. I put it on the left hand. Sorry to all the lefties out there, but I did consider it. I did, man. I had to consider it. Sorry to all the lefties, but I did think I did. I don't want you thinking about me. Okay? No, that's horrible. You guys get me going, man. It's so bad. I'm not going to deviate. We got 430 people in here, 111 likes, 111, baby. Thank you guys for showing up, hanging out with me. Alex, you buying alts right now? No, not yet. Not until I have confirmation of BTC. I don't mind. We were talking about 111, Billy. Let's go. We were talking about this actually yesterday. Like, all it takes is like a 40% move on altcoins for you to have confirmation that we can go up. What is 40% when you're looking for a 4 or 5x, right? It's not a... They're trapping longs right now. This is total trap. This is a total trap, by the way. This is where you flip. You look for the long down here. This is where you flip short. That's my idea. Okay? All the way back down into VWAP. I would short here. If gun to my head, I would short here. I guess I might be dead, though. You never know. Weird data. You know, this is a typical trade setup where you have a double top, you have a breakdown, a mitigation. Now, this is a poor mitigation. Remember, we said we didn't like these lows, but a perfect retest of previous lows, right? This is a typical trade setup that you can take, okay? I'm just saying, very, very straightforward. Just not, obviously, news-driven, something I don't participate in, okay? Weird data. 450 in here. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. We're live here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., taking live trades with you guys every single day, kicking ass, taking names. We have done really well this week. I mean, we are like 4 for 4 days on trading, just been kicking ass, so... Good job. Shout out to the gang. Everybody been doing really well, and you know it looks good on us. I love helping you guys navigate these charts in the morning. It's not easy, but it's fun. It's definitely fun. This is our livelihood. So we are traders helping traders every single day. We have a paid Discord, but that's only been paid since September. I mean, we've been trading full time for over 2.5 years now. Wow, crazy. So. Trying to help you guys achieve that freedom, too. That's what it's all about here. We like to have a good laugh, talk a lot of smack. But at the end of the day, this is your money. It's never financial advice. You need to manage your risk and take trades that you think you should take. Hopefully, I can help with my understanding and teach you guys some tricks of the trade. And we can all work together to make some nice money. I do thank you guys for being here and the kind words yesterday. You know, community is everything. We are just a group of fuzzy otters, and I'm very grateful for you guys. So thank you for being here, everybody, and anyone who's new. Consider joining the Discord and hanging out. There is a free section. There's a paid section. There's the live streams. There's tons here. So very happy and grateful to everyone in here. Herman's Moose, good morning. Dump song to VWAP, please. Okay. I'm playing it for you, Froth. Like I said, gun to my head, I would short this puppy, but I'm not in the trade. Hot dog zone. No, we're overextended we're the top bun right now. If we're talking about where we are in relation to the hot dog, I would say the hot dog's kind of in here, right around 80,000. This has totally been the hot dog zone. This would be our bun up top here. We are range bound until proven otherwise, right? So. We have, it's pretty sticky. Lots of ketchup on this hot dog. Get your mind out of the gutter. It's my mind that's in the gutter. Okay, so top bun right now, like top G, we're top bun. And I would look for liquidity to be swept. Okay, we were going top down before this. 1 hour rolling over. Okay, overextended to the upside, looking to come grab liquidity. Can this continue? Absolutely. I'm not saying it can't. Interesting into the highs up in here. Okay, we have our key areas. We are ready. As per usual, the 30 minutes trying to push right now. We have a nice VWAP crossover with green money flow, so this could continue very easily. Now, Would this continuation be nice from somewhere in here? Absolutely. So we're looking for that as well. If we are to roll over here, our targets should be the liquidity and the lows over here. Very simply. And if we continue to break down, we can look to target the lows over here. But for now, a little bit of patience. It is Friday, baby. So it's always an interesting setup for the weekend. And we got some PPI news, and it's bullish, but it's weird. It's really weird, supposedly. So I even thought it's weird, and I don't even study the PP. So we'll see how it breaks down for the rest of the day. Right now, I'm just looking for a continuation, but overextensions got me in the feels here, right? Got me in the feels here that we can at least come for this low here at 81.4 into this volume nipple down in here. Okay, so let's be patient, but no trade for now. Just waiting. Trading is waiting, and we'll see what we get to. Incredible. Did you guys take the short without me yesterday? You guys got to let me know. Put a 1 in the chat if you did short yesterday. We were calling the short. I don't know why I longed it. To be honest with you, I was kind of upset with myself, but I was upset in general. Good to see a Lunar Beaches in the chat. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Shorting it all the way down, baby. Good job. Quick smoker. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. So good, man. So good. Yeah, our Discord was on fire. Like this morning, I had to congratulate everybody. Like, we have this thing. So we have a winner's wall, but Magic Internet Money, one of my friends in the crypto space, he suggests that you have like a winner's wall, but you justify your, look, Trump power. Okay, swept the previous day high, right? Engulfing, doji engulfing. Whew. That doji engulfing, let's go, baby. Right? Luna Moon used the orb strategy. Let's go, right? Buck 3-minute doji engulfing. Let's go. Doji engulfing, kicking ass today. Right? Daily pivot and flipped. Wave cipher. Django, very nice. I read all this. Very nice setup. Right? Good job, everybody. Like, incredible. Incredible. I love seeing you guys win, man. It makes me, I can't say proud. I just like I'm grateful that, you know, we're teaching people how to fish. You know, when I see wins when I'm not even around that day, I'm just like, you guys are kicking ass, man. That is awesome. I'm so, as they say in England, I'm chuffed to bits, man. Chuffed to bits. Absolutely. I'm proud of you, LJ. Progress forward. Good morning. Django. That was a VWAP slap. Let's go. VWAP's down here. Not sure where you're, Django, where you're what VWAP you're looking at. VWAP's lower here. This is an indication of possible recession imminent. Uh-oh. We're proud of you, Alex. Thank you, Mark. I'm trying, man. I'm new here. I like your energy. Thank you for being here, Eddie. Appreciate you being here. What are the other 3 lines? Those are deviations. So a deviation, I treat it like a Bollinger Band. So you can see here, this is just a VWAP. This is the exact same as a VWAP line. It's just a 1-to-1, a 2-to-1, and a 2.5-to-1. Okay? That's all it is. So when you get overextended, like you did here, you can use the 1-to-1 as support. Look at that, all the way up. Okay? When you get outside of the 2 to the 2.5, this is typically overextension to the upside. So this is a short area. Short back into VWAP. Short back into VWAP, right? And it acts very similar to a Bollinger Band. You can see I have a Bollinger Band on here. It's the same kind of deal, right? You start looking over the cliff on a Bollinger Band. You look to take it back into the middle of the cliff, right? So you get up in here, you take it back to the middle. You get over here, you take it back to the middle. Very similar. I just use it on a VWAP. So it's very much the same concept. But standard deviations, it's a free tool. You can find it on TradingView. It's what I use. Same, different day. Look at that, guys. The short is playing. Trapping longs up in here. Did you guys... Pardon me. Did you guys get short on that or what? I mean, I wasn't about to take it. I need to be a... Good job. I need to be more... after yesterday, I tend to pull back a little bit on the trading. Just want to be more disciplined. I mean, it's about setting the trap, right? We teach the trap, right? Like you need to set the trap in order to practice good risk management and all that stuff. So when you have a day where you break your rules, the next day should be strict, very strict. No willy-nilly trading, right? I think we just had news. It's important that we be patient here and let price come to us. But the interesting thing in here is this right here. Okay, this is like our Darth Maul candle here. This is wrecking the bulls and the bears, right? So it comes down and it wrecks all these people who are in longs. And then it sends price up for continuation, retest, and continuation. So this has done a good job of sweeping everybody in here. So if we do break down, we would typically be looking for this to be tapped, not necessarily this to be tapped, okay? Then if we do start coming below here, we're looking for this to be tapped. So this has kind of been mitigated in here, as you can see by this crazy candle. Okay, so things like that you need to pay attention to. What has this done? Look at the absolute carnage that candle caused, right? This is no jokes. That's 1.5% real quick, right? So be aware of stuff like that on your charts too, because it's going to tell you that, hey man, this has done a job taking out these guys, so this should be your area of interest if we are going for continuation trades. Okay? And then because it's done its job there, that this becomes the liquidity that you hunt if you lose this general area here. Hopefully that makes sense. Rolling over here. Great short, everybody. Make sure you guys are paying yourselves along the way. It can pop back anytime. This market is not being kind to anyone. So why is this all the way down there? This is all out of sorts now. Nice little trigger wave pushing down here. 15 coming down, so starting to round out on the bottoming here, which is good. 24 and news data. Sweep, squeeze, right? Squeeze and push down now. You can be looking for a double bottom in here. Coinbase is down. Uh-oh. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Aaron. Good to see you. Post, good morning. Attila, good morning. Sharkfin's shart on Fartcoin. Just a sub, yep. A bunch of you guys short. Okay. Patience here. That was a VWAP deviation, yeah. Yeah, just a little VWAP deviation here. Okay, rolling over here. Really died down on the volume, eh? Holy smokes, look at that. Right? Continuation down here. No trade just yet, just waiting. Good discipline here, not taking that long. You see how we didn't get a candle close above here on a 3-minute? You see how it just shows you. It just shows you by waiting for candle closes, waiting for confirmation, it shows you strength and weakness, right? Like if you're going to get short here, you can short off of this engulfing here. So it comes back in, you short here, and then you take that short down. You're not longing this thing unless you're closing above and going, right? I love how it works, man. I love how it works. Key levels, understanding where the volume resistance is. And in order to continue upwards, we need to close above there, right? Just things like that. It's really like that in my experience takes experience. I never used to wait for the candle to close. I used to just sit. I used to press long, bullish news, press long, and get wrecked. Okay? This bouncing off a little golden pocket in here, I believe, if we're looking here. There's a little fib retracement in here. Not something, I'm looking for in general. A little bit of patience. Anchor trigger wave trying to push up in here. Nice push up overnight, though. Anybody get long down in here? Yeah, that last sweep. That would have been ideal, but nice move. Continuation down here. I didn't do my poll this morning. Every Friday, you guys got to let me know. You guys got to let me know. It's anonymous. You don't have you don't lying does not help you in this game. I tell you that much. Lying does not help you in this. A bunch of you guys are long as well. Do you use platinum pockets? Only on macro time frames. That's me. I'm not, 786 golden pockets where I draw the line. Platinum pockets macro. Talk to Piper. He's a platinum pocket guru. And they do work. I mean, they work on all time frames. For me, it's more of a macro kind of thing. R Pink's killing it this week. Best ever. Let's go, R Pink, man. Congratulations, bro. Even with the $1,000 loss, I'm still up like 6,000 this week too. So it's like no complaints. I've been having my last 3 weeks. I've been absolutely kicking the beep. I mean, it's the volatility. As a scalper, this is heaven. It's like heaven, right? Like I show you my wins yesterday. It's like it's stupid. It's just like $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, $100. Right? It's just like easy breadcrumbs, baby. That's it. And that was like just scalping my way back to, a little bit back at the end of the day. What I did yesterday is after being emotional, I gave myself like an hour of focused, disciplined trading. Okay. I was like, okay, Alex, you've had your stupid fun. You've been an idiot. Go back, be disciplined, trade like that, and then be done. Okay, so I went back, I dusted myself off, I focused, I traded responsibly, I used good risk management, and I kicked ass, right? So, Habe, good morning, man. How's it going? Good to see you. Thank you. You don't have to message me 20 times, man. Copy and paste is a fun thing to do. I'm going to let you think about that until Monday, okay? Have a good day. My God. I'll put the $5 on the wall and you can hold it with your forehead until Monday, okay? Mark Dutch, you're going on a timeout too, man. You're going 5 minutes. It just increases, man. Mark Dutch got 5 minuted. He gonna be mad at me. Now he's gonna message me in the moderator room. Got long, got long. Oh, man. Trying to bounce here. No, not a mark pause. Oh. Hey, man, it's only fair. What's going on, MJ? Good to see you. Man, this thing's slow today. Good morning, nonstop. Universal Technologies. Today, BTC target price, please. I don't really have a target for you, bro. Up, down, all around, man. Sporadic price action, baby. Mark is the backbone of the chat. This is true. Zohaib. I don't know how Zohaib is back. We have Zohaib 1 and Zohaib 2. Say hi one more time, Zohaib. just tempt me, man. No pushback here. It's me. Hi. Hi. You're dumb, man. Oh, man. You gone. You gone. Zoltan clan, man. We'll see you Monday, Zohaib. We'll see you Monday. It's 9 o'clock. Let's check that hourly, everybody. Hourly's printing a red dot here. Break it down now. Okay. Like I said, we still have money flow coming in here, so we'll see how it behaves. 30-minute. I like that the 30 minutes overextended here. This can curve back up. I'd still like to see it come into here. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. So, little trigger here forming on the 12-minute. Hammer candle trying to push up. Anchor trigger wave here. This looks decent, actually. Just in no man's land, right? Like, no trade. I mean, even though we're in... This could work. NASDAQ here, flagging out. A little bit of hopium. I just see liquidity in here. That's it. That's all I see. SPY looks like... what is it? TDS? Trump derangement syndrome? Is that what it is? TDS? Anybody have TDS? Put it in the chat. I don't know what that is, man. I'm still looking lower. Let's not tease people who come in here who are new. You got to appreciate Zohaib's persistence. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if you guys all start a Zohaib channel, man. And all you do is go on and say, hi, Alex. Hi, Alex. Hi, Alex. I mean, I'm Canadian. I don't mind Trump. Miles Trump Power. What a name, man. What a name. Pushing back here. So, what do we got here? Maya. Good morning. Zohaib for president. Let's go. We're going to get some Zohaib shirts that just say, hi, Alex. And we'll put Zohaib like a hockey jersey on the back. And then hi, Alex on the front. James Simpson consolidation. I think right now it's just chop, man. It's after that news. That news I think is surprising to a lot of people. So the market really doesn't know how to react right now going into Friday. Obviously, Asia's pumped us up here, which is typical lately. You know, they're stimulating, so Asia's still pushing. Free Zohabe. Yeah, right. Hi, Alex. Free Zohabe. We need a Zohabe emoji at least. I like the gang. We'll make a Zohabe. Zohabe has made it. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Zohabe was he was a persistent lurker, man. He was in here. He said good morning. Well, he said hi, Alex, about 100 times. And then he got the guillotine. Maybe he'll be back. Maybe he'll be back Monday, guys. I only banned one of his accounts. So Zohabe, the original Zohabe, can come back on we got Zohabe derangement syndrome. I'm wearing my Trump shirt today, by the way. I think we welcome him back with open arms Monday. If he comes back Monday, guys, we're going to have to do a Zohabe giveaway, okay? If he comes back Monday, we will do a Zohabe giveaway where we will pump Billy's channel. We'll pump Billy Goat Tails, man. He's probably lurking, man. He's probably lurking. I'm out of coffee, gang, so I'm gonna have some more coffee. This is pretty dull right now. I don't think it's gonna be dull when market opens or going into market open. Patience.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Pumped. Man, I missed it. Oh. Coffee. Oh, we're dumping. Oh, we're pumping. Happy Friday, Randy Hipper. Let's go. God bless you, Randy. Good to see you. What are you guys getting up to in here? You guys farting and stuff? What was the news to pump BTC? It was just Asia overnight, man. The news was right here as kind of a nothing burger fake out. There can only be one Zohaib. Zohaib for president. Let's go, baby. Good to see you, Randy Hipper. We're pushing. Can we continue? That is the question. I think we come a little bit lower first. We'll see. We'll see. We're kind of stuck in the middle here. If we made a quick $80. Randy Hipper gave the long yesterday. Pump it up, she says. You don't want to mess with Zohan. Or what is it? I don't know how to do the. Was your grandpa okay yesterday? Yeah, his head. We talked about it. He had a fall in the garden a couple of 3 days ago, and he hurt his elbow pretty badly. And then he fell yesterday. So, but he's okay. It's okay. Zoltan. Zohaib, man. It's Zohaib. Thank you, Randy. God bless you. Randy, you got to send me an emoji for you. I only got cookies. No. Let's go. What's up, HFG? Good to see you, man. Honestly, they built different, harder bones. Honestly, his nickname in Italian is Testadura, which means hard head. Okay? And it means you're stubborn, really. But his nickname is Testadura. Sometimes we call him Testagrosso because he has a big head. On the button hats, the buttons for the snapbacks, he uses 2 buttons. The whole thing, 2 buttons. That's how big his head is. Look at this dump coming down here. Anybody got short? Very nice. Good job. You're in the money, baby. Coming down to our buy level here, looking for an SFP. 911. I always feel weird saying that nowadays, I mean, as a Canadian, even me and my mom drove down to the 9/11 site basically the year after. I mean, from Toronto to New York's only an 8-hour trip. So we drove down there and paid our respect. SFP in here. That was a cool road trip, just me and my mom's navigating New York City. Really cool. That was one of the only trips we really took together as a kid, so pretty cool. Any guess on Dogecoin reaching 35 cents? I'm not a big doggy kind of doggy coin kind of guy, man. Prem Kumar, good morning, good evening. Thank you, Schaefer. We do the altcoin analysis with Brewberry after this live, so we'll either send you to Piper or we'll send you to the traders from our Discord. Okay, we have an amazing group of traders. CVO did a great job yesterday. Woo, moderator room. I was just giving Mark trouble. You guys can. There's nothing in there for you guys to see, anyways. CVO, great top-down analysis yesterday. HRJ giving trade setups, TradeFly. Myself, Kyle was sick, but he just did a big old weekly on-chain data report for everyone. For me, altcoin trade ideas, live streams, plethora of live streams yesterday. Did a whole bunch of entry criteria, daily charting routine, V-shaped recoveries, how to trade with a full-time job, DCA planning, candle pattern trades, wick tests, SFPs, Fibonacci's, bottoms. Like, you guys got to go through this. If you're a member here, this is all fire lessons that we do one-on-one with all you guys. Incredible group. Is Kyle in here? Oh, look at this handsome man. How you feeling, bro? Look at this handsome guy kicking ass, taking names every day. He is Batman. He is Batman. Let's go, baby. One of our traders in here. Got the best thumbnails around, man. Go and check out Kyle. My brother from another mother. We are neighbors, bro. Kyle, I'm coming to visit you at the end of the month, bro. You better be ready. I'm coming with the family. I'm gonna buy you a steak or something. Just gonna slap you with that beautiful steak in the face. Sweeping the lows, double bottom here. We got 15 minutes till market opens, everybody. Good morning, Darshan. Good morning, Vezer. No trade right now. Call me Dave. I got paid today. Just joined the membership. Thanks, Dave, for joining. Appreciate you, man. Lots to learn. Lots of stuff. Make sure you go through all those videos, man. As soon as you join, at least get through all those videos. You owe it to yourself. How's it going, Kyle? What are you up to, bro? How you feeling? Andrew Cameron. Closed my short. Nice. Take the money and run, baby. Coming down into you're looking for bull divs if we can get it. That would be nice. 12 minutes, still got room to the downside here. Pretty steep. So this looks like a little bit of a rollover here. Squeeze and rolling over. See how it behaves in this little volume area. Still highly interested in VWAP and all that, and mitigation of the slow in here. This would be a sweep level that we're looking for. This is really going to clarify that this is in a downtrend, okay? Down till now. So I guess gun to my head, take a short would have played out quite nicely, eh? Not bad. Making calls. Gotta make them trades, though. I like that volume in there. I like that sweep. Not yet. Waiting for candle. Come on, candle. Tell me which way we're going to go. No trade. Still waiting here. Got 10 minutes till market opens, everyone, so patience will prevail here. I did like that little sweep, but looks like we got continuation down still. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live here, hanging out every morning. I do appreciate you guys. We got 500 people in here. God bless you guys. You're trading every single Monday to Friday. Oh, nice pushback here. Can we push back? I might buy this if we can push back here and get above this doji here, but we'll see. Trading view down? Not on my end. Seem to be all right here. Just chopping about here. This is pretty slow and painful. I did like the volume there, but yeah, we got the volume in here. A push back. I'd like to see it push back though if I'm gonna buy it. No pushback yet. It's more clear on the 3-minute. Three-minute here, like to push above this candle. Still got a minute left here. 10 minutes till open. NASDAQ trying to bounce out of here. All right. Breaking down as well. It's trying to hold this low in here. We'll see if it does hold. And then obviously liquidity below us here. So big rollover, could bounce. The SPY here. Same deal. What's going on with this candle here? 20 seconds. This would be a pretty tight scalp here if we're going to take it. Decent candle close. Let's see if it comes back for a little entry. I'll take a stab. Take a wee stab. I'm probably going to exit pretty early here. At least go 75 out and then stop loss to entry here. Push Bitcoin. Push. A little bit more. Come on. Push. I'm going to take 75% off there. Stop loss to entry. Quick $100. This little base hit here. Singles and doubles, baby. Okay. Quick little $100. See if we push back. I did like that doji in golf, right? This could run or it could just get slapped right back down. That's fine. Either way, take a quick $100 out of the market. Easy base hit for me. And it could run. It could run, right? We still got 40 grand in the trade. Easy little trade this morning. Okay, good patience, good confirmation. Look for follow through. GG's, everyone. Easy peasy. See if we go. Stop losses at entry. Okay, we could easily get stopped out here, but who cares? We've made money, baby. Take what they give us. Okay, we got market open coming up too. We don't want to be overexposed here. And this could turn into a runner, right? This could turn into whew. Volume level, bounce, SFP of the low, right? So it's all here, right? We got a key level. We got a sweep of the low here. Volume surge down. Okay. It's all here, right? You got volume surge. So a spike in volume. We teach you guys this. We talked about volume. SFP, key volume, key bounce level. Banging, baby. The Discord knows. The Discord knows these. Let's go. He's back, baby. Let's go. Zohabe, where are you, man? Is he back? Free Zohabe. Free Zohabe. Let's go, baby. Zohabe, we're going to make a t-shirt, man. Free Zohabe. Zohabe, are you going to show up Monday too? So weird, my Bybit chart didn't take the low. What the F? This is Bybit perpetual. Maybe you're not on the perpetual one. I don't know. Easy trade this morning, guys. 550 in here. Thank you guys for being here. 181 likes, baby. Love it. I love it. Little quick scalp here. A little bit of patience. Wait for that, for the signal, right? I'll tell you. Right? Zohabe's number one. Let's go, Zohabe. I'm going to name my next plant Zohabe. I got Oswald. Hey, wife, when are you going to show the gang your Otter Gang t-shirt? It's in the wash. I have to show them Monday then. Yeah, we're going to expose you. Remember to pick up some Cums today at the supermarket. You bought 6 Cums the other day. No way. Cums on pizza tonight. Yeah? That's brilliant. Love some cum on some pizza. That's my wife for you there. That's my wife. Capsicums, okay? We're talking about capsicums, which are peppers, okay? We're talking about capsicums. My wife. She's the best, man. She's got better humor than me, man. Capsicums, Billy. Capsicums. A capsicum in Australia, we used to go and buy Cums all. It's a bell pepper, okay? But they're called capsicums in Australia. So, Billy, me and my wife used to go call them Cums. When we moved to Australia and lived there, we used. So now the joke is we call them Cums all the time. That's me and my wife, baby. Too much fun. I like Cums in my fajitas. Yeah. See, my wife's humor is better than mine. It's just on fire. Oh man. Doesn't end here, man. We're making money and having fun, right? This is what it's all about. Trading Trading is serious. We're not we're not here to downplay it. But you gotta have fun, man. Bell end, yes, bell end. A bell end pepper. Zohaib loves otters too. Let's go, Zohaib. Zoltan. Still in this long here. See if it does want to fire off, baby. We should eat cum together. Yeah. Anybody take that long with us? British humor is top notch. Absolutely, man. There's nothing better than some Michael McIntyre stand-up comedy. Did you say Zoltan? Do you know my name? Zoltan Clan. Otters and goats, friends for life. That's the one. Colin is in a schlong, everybody. Watch out. Do you trade on the 3-minute candle? I'll confirm candle patterns on the 3-minute, yeah. Absolutely. Lunar Beach is misbehaving already. Markets open in 20 seconds, everybody. 20 seconds, guys. Got a little trying to push here on NAS, but lots of liquidity below. We still are established in the liquidity below. We are in the long. We have taken most of the trade out. Okay. See if we push here. Markets open, baby. Can we push? S&P gapping. Not much of a gap here. Can we push? Support level. NASDAQ trying to push. Bitcoin pumping, baby. Can it push up? Will it continue, or will we get rejected at our key level of resistance here? I'm looking for follow through here. See if we get the follow through on this weird data that we got here. I'll look to take profit again up in here if we push up. Okay, if we push up into here, I'll take another 50% off. Nice bounce, though. Yeah, coming back. Okay. We knew this was going to be resistance, right? Good rejection there. Still in it here. See if we push back up. I'm going to take a bit off here. There we go. Some more money. Up 150 now. It's a nice little base hit, right? That's about it. Let's get rid of that. Our stop's pretty much at this low here, so if it does come back, that's fine. We can look to add now if we get the opportunity. Right now we're first 15 minutes of market open, okay? I would expect to be slapped out of the trade, but you never know. You never know. It could run. We can look for, if we're going to add here, it would be a push up, a retest and continuation here. Still in the trade, though. We'll see how it goes here. 566 people in here. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. All the kind words yesterday for my grandfather, and you guys are great, man. I appreciate you guys. What a community. Built on kindness. No douche canoes. That's what it's all about, baby. We have a Zohabe in here. Thank you for being here, Zohabe. Gonna be our new mascot, man. How you doing, Jesse? Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, getting back from the hospital. Grandmaster Ape, sorry, I gotta give you some money from yesterday, baby. You're a winner, chicken dinner. Just message me in the Discord. I'll get you that money today, buddy. I had a day yesterday, let's call it. Bitcoin pushing here. I'm still in this trade. Huh. Let's go, baby. Nice little trigger wave pushing us up here. See if we can continue. Bitcoin to the moon. Let's go. Pump it, Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. We long. We long. Everybody's long. Everybody's long. Dong. Get the friction on. Baby got back. Let's go, baby. Rashad, we gave the long. We told everybody. We told everybody to get long here. Everybody, we said, we're going long. We showed you the trade. How many times? 3 times? 4 times? 5 times? Let's go, Bitcoin. Pump it, baby. Bitcoin to the moon. Good job, everybody. GG's, GG's all around. Thank you for a very long one. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin ripping. Bitcoin ripping. They printed money, baby. They printed money. They don't give two smacks about what you think. They just printed money. Keep printing the money. And we keep taking the money, baby. Coming up to the highs right now. I'm going to take off another half at the highs. Closed another half out here. Let's go, baby. 230 guaranteed. Let's go, baby. Good job, gang. BEA beautiful. $560 people in here. We all got long this morning, kicking ass, taking names. Great job, everybody. Next target's above us. We got a whole bunch of them here. We're looking at 83.6, 84. Okay, not get overexcited. It's a great trade. Stop loss at entry. We're all in the money today. Great work. Great work, everybody. I love seeing you guys win. That's it. Good old volume wick. Engulf. Buy, right? Doji engulfing. We were talking about Doji engulfing this morning. Ooh wee. Gotta love it. Love this volatility. The key, though, is patience, right? The key is patience. Now, we took profits pretty quick here because you don't expect this move. Okay? This should have been like a $900 trade, which is fine. Very cheap trade, though, right? Very cheap. We probably risked $50 to take this trade. And we're already up 230. We can realize right now and be up 300. $50 to make 300. That's a pretty good trade. Okay? The short would be a mitigation of the high here. And then we look for a lower high. Okay, so we'd look for mitigation here and then this. However, big volume level here. So careful, please. I'm going to let this thing run. Let's go, baby. Everybody's winning. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. HRJ's Jasmine trade has been absolutely printing. Let's go, man. This is crazy. HRJ. Where's the Jasmine trade? Oof. My God. Too many goodies in here. Jasmine printing. Boof. Off we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. I mean, the Discord is on fire. Money printing machine here. I mean, it's the cheapest, most alpha Discord in all of crypto. Okay. Tell me one that's $49 a month. Okay. You got 5 traders. You got live streams every day. Sometimes 4. I think the premium command is gone. I'm not sure. No, the premium command is still there. Good. Just printing, baby. I mean, if you can't make $50 with us, I don't know what you're doing, man. Not smoking enough opium. Flash close 330 without fees. Let's go. It's a scalper's world. Love it. That's it, baby. Everybody, Schaefer's short. That means take some profits. Retest the previous highs right now. Retest to previous highs. Continuation trade. That's possible right here. I'm not taking it, but I'm just saying it's possible. Go to the 1 minute here. Pretty overextended, to be honest. Great trade, everybody. I love it. I love it. Billy's winning, baby. Billy just sent me the message. Guys, Billy just sent me the message. Shout out to Crypto Billy, man. He's up 75%, baby. Let's go. 17% for Crypto Billy. God bless you, Billy. I love seeing you win, bro. Guys, let's see some CBs in the chat. He's too humble to share his profits, but let's go. Crypto Billy. 111, baby. Let's go. CBs in the chat for Crypto Billy. He's crushing it, man. Let's go. CBs all day. All day, baby. Let's go. GG, Billy. Love it, man. What a legend, man. Billy's trading. He's kicking ass, taking names, man. I love seeing Billy win, man. The kindest man in crypto. Face it. Face it. Helping those who help themselves, man. Crypto Billy. God bless you, bro. Day one. Zohabe. Let's go, baby. Zohabe blessing the chat today. Billy crushing the trades today. It's all about attitude, man. I could have sulked all day today. I tell you that much. I could have sulked. Oh, easy, man. I could just sit in it and whinge. But there's a responsibility to myself and my family and then to you guys. But, you know, that's what we do. We show up. Next Monday, I'm gonna be going on Sin City Crypto. If you guys want to come over there, that would be pretty cool to see you guys there and spamming some otters in the chat. We'll be there on Monday. They've invited me to come on to their show and talk a bunch of smack. No, I'm not gonna talk smack, but they are family. They are family, so that would be cool if you guys come over there and hang out as well. Nice push into our volume node here. I'm going to close that trade now, guys. GG's, everybody. GG's, everyone. I'm going to close that out. No need to be greedy. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Thank you, everybody. $330, man. Start the day off well. That's like 500 Canadian, baby. No need to be greedy. Got the Easter Bunny. God bless everybody. The Easter Bunny. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Nice continuation here. Good job, everybody. Love seeing you guys win. Kicking ass, taking names. That's how we roll. So let's zoom out here. Nice push up. Okay, nice push up. Coming into the highs here. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for sweep of the highs, right? Mitigation of the highs coming in here. So on a higher term time frame, this should be our target initially, right? Can we sweep and retrace? That's very possible for today, okay? So don't get overly, hyperly bullish, okay? We want to be level-headed here. Like I said, the higher probability is that we range in here today, okay? Setting up the weekend. Probably a sweep down and then a go. We'll see. Or, you know, they send it to Valhalla. It is Friday, baby, and maybe they smoking that Bitcoin hopium. We can't predict the future, but for now, we just try to stay level-headed. To me, they're trapping longs right now. A beautiful push-up. Let's see what else we get today. Okay, so target up here. So possible. We want to see the right things in this area, right? And take this all the way back down. However, beautiful double bottom in here, push up, sweep of the lows, continuation trade, right? So pretty easy this morning. They gifted us a nice trade. Now we wait for the next one. Retest of previous highs, continuation trade there. You could have taken that if you wanted to. Very simple continuation trade. You got your little order block in here. You get your long here. Your stop loss goes below that low here, and you look to continue up to key targets. It's a very simple scalping trade as well we teach. But for now, we're out of the trade. We've made a nice chunk of money, and we keep kicking ass, man. Good job, everybody. See if we find another one. Another one, DJ Cali. Great work. Great work, everybody. Take partial first time? Sure, whatever you're into, man. 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. every day. So we're almost done here. We got about 10 minutes left. So 2 hours from now, we go live every single Monday to Friday, man. You took profits too early, but me too. Yeah, I'm not greedy, man. I mean, it was initially a short scalp from here to here. That was the plan. You can't plan this, okay? That was the plan, right? You trade the plan, you're happy with the plan, you take profits early, you guarantee your position. It popped. You can't plan for the pop. We do have our orb in here. Orby one can know. Look at this orb today. My God. That is a monster orb, man. We could just trend sideways in this orb all day, man. This could just be a range all day. That's a big orb. And we appreciate the live streams. Thanks, HFG. Thanks for being kind, man. Open range breakout, Nick Jones. It's just your first 15-minute candle. Okay, that's all it is. Open range breakout gives you kind of a bias for the day. Very useful. Very useful. If there's an orb indicator as well, it's a free open range breakout indicator, and I'll do the same thing. But you can see even yesterday, we'll let it populate. I'm sure the orb's in here. You can see probably, there you go. You lose the orb, right? You set in your orb, you retest it, you reject off the orb, break down all the way down. Easy trade. So it just gives you a very easy kind of narrative for the day. We teach it in our Discord. Just helps with direction. This is a very, very wide orb. Like you typically do not get 1.5% orb. It's typically quite short. And you can trade based off of it. Coming back to that order block, we'll see if we can bounce. No problem, Nick. Orbs. Market Cipher is paid or free indicator? It is paid. We are sponsored by Market Cipher. There's a bunch of knockoffs, but the money flow isn't as good. Any TA? We've done a top-down analysis. Really, it's didn't expect that big pump, to be honest. Lots of liquidity below us, looking to sweep down in here. A bunch of buy levels as well. Overextended on our 1 hour, looking to push back down. However, we are getting red dot, green dot. So room on the 2 and the 3 and the 4 hour to continue upwards, which is good. Okay, still room to go. And definitely nice off of that bull div here on our 4 hour, continuing to push up, retrace continuation. right? Very simple trade. So overall looking strong. Lots of room on the 12-hour and the daily as well. So there's a potential for a push back into the bigger range. The bigger range is going to be between, where we are right now, basically 82,000 all the way up to the top of that range, which is around 86,000. So trying to get acceptance above this line right here, okay? Closing above here is bullish in my opinion. However, it's Steve Ruggles, man. Steve Ruggles quite often here. Anytime we get above here, we have been rejected back down into our lower region, okay? So, bit of patience for now. Just stalling out here. To me, they're trapping longs right now. Why are they trapping longs? Okay, why would you think that? So they've gotten everybody bullish this morning, right? They've left all of this liquidity below. Okay, so what are you going to do as a market maker, right? You're going to sweep the highs. You're going to stall price out here. You might push up to the top here, to sweep the highs from yesterday. And then you'll send it back down and make everybody cry. That would be my idea. If you continue to put in higher highs and higher lows with bullish momentum and your NASDAQ breaks out and your S&P breaks out, right? Which we're on the verge of, right? Getting that acceptance above these highs in here, right? So breakout, retest. I would look for this on like the SPY. I would look for this on the NASDAQ where you're closing above and beyond, right? Off of this. Okay, like there's definitely confluence. I would look for acceptance below 5.5% on USDT dominance, okay? If it loses this low, I'd look for this to come back down into here. Okay, this is inverse correlated. If you want it to look like Bitcoin, turn it upside down, Alt-I, invert it. Okay, so I would look for this to break out and continue up into here. But for me right now, this is very much a fake out because of the liquidity which resides down below in here. Okay, am I shorting this? No. Why? Because I need confirmation of a reversal. Okay, I'm not going to blindly short into this uptrend. Right? So for me, if this then that, if we put in a low here, right? And then we put in a high and then we break that low, I can look for shorts. Not until then, okay? Not until then. I don't care if I get short here, right? Versus here, and this thing comes down for the liquidity in here. At least I have confirmation. Right now it's chopping about. At minimum down to VWAP. Kyle has a trade plan too. It looks eerily similar to something. Kyle just posted in our Discord. Are you looking at that big down? Yeah, I know which one you're looking at there, Schaefer. You're looking at this one, right? This mouse is so fire, man. It's so oh, just major rejection, right? I see you, Schaefer. You got to know what the macro is in order to zoom in. We always talk about zooming in as a privilege, right? It is. To get out your little I need the magnifying glass. I don't know if there is one in here. Is there a magnifying glass in the emojis? I still haven't found one. Maybe I should do that on my own time. I can do it here because I gave you guys the setup this morning, so we're all groovy. We're groovy, baby. Let's go. I don't see a magnifying glass. Oh my God. We have solved the problem. It is a privilege to zoom in, okay? Don't get it twisted. You must understand the key areas, what's going on, the trend, the bigger picture in order to jump into anything like this, okay? Critical. What did Kyle say? What did the fox say? What noise does a fox make, guys? Tell me. I need to know. How would you type it out? Look at you guys. All your portfolios are up now, right? 43% of you guys. This is better. I like 40%. Break even. You're doing a good job, man. Keep managing that risk. You'll get there. You're very close. At break even, you're in a good position to make money. If you're down, stick with us. We'll help you. Risk management. And if you're wrecked, take a good look at yourself, because there's no reason for you to be wrecked. You should only be risking 1% per trade. Okay? But great job, everybody. I love seeing you guys win. 43% of you guys in this volatility. Pow. Great job, everybody. Qua. PPI was a hour and a half ago. Very weird. Look at that dump, baby. Trapping longs. What do we talk about? Trapping longs, right? Trapping longs. French Toaster with the 5 gifted memberships. Let's go, baby. God bless you, Toaster. Thank you for supporting the channel. Jonathan Roman, Lurker. Kubali, Lurker. Satoshi, Lurker. Let's go, baby. Defiant, best trading day all week. Suleiman, Lurker. And I'm Manapana, Lurker. Let's go. Let's go. I nailed that guy's name, didn't I? Did I nail his name? I think I did. Don't ask. Don't ask. Oh, man. Welcome, Jonathan. Give your WhatsApp number? What the? Are you crazy, man? I'm going to give you the Monday to think about their comments, bro. You can call me on my SETA phone. Come to the Discord. Or don't. Look at that. Trapping everybody. What do we say, right? No trade in here. This is just a beehive. Look at it. It just, you don't know which way. You don't know that your neighbor's going to throw a rock at this thing and it's going to fall on your damn head. Jeez. Retest of highs in here. Crazy. Wild day, wild times, volatility. Monday and Friday live, yeah. 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. every Monday and Friday. What a good trade today, guys. Holy smokes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, making money. You guys are top notch, man. Top notch people hanging out. What about longing now, Victor? No trade, man. This is ripping to the downside, man. Bearish momentum. You got liquidity in the lows here. Greetings from London, Patrick Swayze. Hello, mate. You're right. You're right, mate. Watch out, he's a Londoner. $600 people here, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. I think we're almost at 12,000. Oh my God, we hit 12,000, guys. No fucking way. I'm going to swear today. It's Friday. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're growers and showers. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Let's see those otter gang in the chat, baby. I remember when it was 12. Let's go. 12K. Keeps the doctor away. Very grateful, man. You are not a number. You are an otter gang familia. Let's go, baby. Gang. Let's go. Awesome. Great trade today, everybody. It's volatile. It's going to be a doozy. Risk management. Lower your position size. Use the powers of the Otter Gang. Guys, I'm going to send you over to Army Piper. Have a wonderful weekend. Touch some grass. Touch some ass. Whatever you're into. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. That'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto.